Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So this SIM tray you will find next to the USB-C port down the phone. It is here. And you will need the pin. So the pin is part of the box. So it is in this instruction box here. So go just with your finger inside, put it a bit up and you will have the pin. Otherwise, you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter this small hole here, which one is part of the SIM tray. Go inside, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and this SIM tray is special because the SIM tray, you can enter two SIM cards, one up and the other one down. Okay, the first SIM card you will have up. Let us enter it. So missing corner, so that you can see the contacts. It has to look like this. And if you want to enter a second SIM card, you put it like this in the same way. Also until it makes the click. It has to look like this. Yeah, and otherwise, if you don't want to use a second SIM card, then you could use also SD card to extend the memory, but it has to be a special one, a nano SD or an NM card, so you can extend the memory with it if you want. It has the same size like a nano SIM. And let's put now the SIM tray back into the phone like this. The first SIM card is up and like that. Okay, close it well because the phone is waterproofed, as you know. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Hope be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.